List of minor signs. Signs which have already occurred. 1. Sending of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 2. The death of our Prophet Muhammad. 3. The splitting of the moon. 4. Disappearance of the noble companions. May Allah be pleased with him. 5. Conquest of Jerusalem. 6. Widespread of death like murrain of sheep. 7. Prevalence of turmoil, fitna of all kinds. 8. Prevalence of satellite channels. 9. The Prophet's foretelling of the Battle of Siffin. 10. The emergence of the Khawarij. 11. Claims of prophethood by charlatans and liars. 12. Spread of security, of prosperity. 13. Appearance of fire in the Hijaz. 14. Fighting the Turks. 15. Appearance of unjust men who beat the people with whips. 16. A great deal of killing. 17. Loss of honesty and its disappearance from people's hearts. 18. Following the ways of nations who came before. 19. The slave woman giving birth to her mistress. 20. Appearance of women who are clothed yet naked. 21. Barefoot, naked shepherds competing in the construction of lofty buildings. 22. Greeting only those whom one knows. 23. Widespread trade. 24. Women taking part in business with their husbands. 25. Domination by some traders of the market. 26. False testimony. 27. Wig holding, true testimony. 28. Prevalence of ignorance. 29. Widespread stinginess and miserliness. 30. Severing ties of kinship. 31. Being a bad neighbor. 32. Spread of indecency. 33. Honest people being regarded as treacherous, and treacherous people being trusted. 34. Death of prominent and noble people, and the prevalence of ignoble people. 35. Not caring about the source of wealth and whether it is halal or haram. 36. Pay will become limited to some people to the exclusion of others. 37. When the entrusted item is regarded like booty. 38. People will pay their zakah reluctantly, and zakah will be regarded as a penalty. 39. Knowledge will be sought for a reason other than for the sake of Allah. 40. Obedience to wives and disobedience to mothers. 41. Bringing friends close and keeping fathers away. 42. Raising voices in the mosque. 43. Evildoers becoming leaders of their tribes. 44. The leader of the people will be the vilest of them. 45. Showing respect to a man for fear of his evil. 46. Adultery being regarded as permissible. 47. Silk being regarded as permissible. 48. Alcohol being regarded as permissible. 49. Musical instruments being regarded as permissible. 50. Wishing for death. 51. The coming of a time when a man will be a believer in the morning and disbeliever in the evening. 52. Adornment of mosques and competition therein. 53. Adornments of houses. 54. Frequency of storms as an hour draws nigh. 55. Prevalence of literacy. 56. Earning money by means of speaking and boasting about one's eloquence. 57. Spreading books of other than the Quran. 58. A time in which there will be many readers but few fuqaha and scholars. 59. Seeking knowledge from people who are insignificant. 60. Sudden death. 61. Rulership of the foolish. 62. Time passing more quickly. 63. The foolish will speak. 64. The most fortunate of the people in worldly matters will be Luka ibn Luka, an evil person. 65. Taking the mosques as their affairs. 66. Dowries becoming expensive and then cheap. 67. Horses becoming expensive and then cheap. 68. Markets becoming closer together. 69. Nations calling one another to get together against the Muslim Ummah nation. 70. People not wanting to lead the prayer. 71. Fulfillment of the believer's dreams. 72. Prevalence of lying. 73. Discord among the people. 74. A lot of earthquakes. 75. A lot of women. 76. Few men. 77. Prevalence and open flaunting of immorality. 78. Taking money for reading Quran. 79. Obesity will become widespread among the people. 80. Appearance of people who will give testimony when they are not asked to do so. 81. Appearance of people who will make vows and not fulfill them. 82. The strong devouring the weak. 83. Not rolling in accordance with that which Allah revealed. 84. Large numbers of Romans and small numbers of Arabs. Signs which have not appeared yet. 85. Great abundance of wealth among the people. 86. The earth giving up its treasure. 87. Transformation. 88. Landslide. 89. Pelting with stones. 90. Rain against which houses of brick cannot offer any protection. 91. Rain will fall from the sky, but the earth will not bring forth anything. 92. Tribulation, which will utterly destroy the Arabs. 93. Trees speaking. 94. Rocks speaking and supporting the Muslims. 95. Muslims biting the Jews. 96. The Euphrates will uncover a mountain of gold. 97. The coming of a time when a man will be given the choice of being labeled incompetent or committing immorality. 98. Arabia becoming meadows and rivers once more. 99. Fitnat al-Ahnas, a lightly and intense tribulation. 100. Fitnat al-Sarra, a tribulation caused by luxury and a life of tastes. 101. Fitna ad-Duhayma, a huge tribulation. 102. A time when one prostration will be equivalent to this world and everything in it. 103. The new moon looking bigger than usual. 104. A time when there will be no one left, but he will go and live in Asham, the Levant. 105. A great battle between the Muslims and the Romans. 106. The conquest of Constantinople. Details of the campaign in another report. 107. No inheritance will be divided. 108. The people will not rejoice over booty. 109. The people will go back to ancient weapons and mounts. 110. Jerusalem will flourish. 111. Medina will be in ruins, devoid of inhabitants and visitors. 112. Medina will be cleansed of its evil people as the bellows elimination the draughts of iron. 113. Removal of the mountains from their places. 114. The appearance of a man from Qahtan who will be obeyed by the people. 115. Appearance of a man called Al-Jahja. 116. Wild animals and inanimate objects will speak. 117. The end of a whip will speak. 118. A shoelace will speak. 119. A man's thigh will give news of his family. 120. The hour will not begin until Islam diminishes. 121. The Quran will disappear for the mushafs, copies of the Quran, and from people's hearts. 122. An army that will seek to attack the Kaaba and will be swallowed up by the earth. 123. Hajj to the sacred house of Allah will be abandoned. 124. Some Arab tribes will go back to worshipping idols. 125. The tribe of Quraysh will die out. 126. Destruction of the Kaaba at the hands of a man from Abyssinia. 127. The sending of a pleasant wind that will take the souls of the believers. 128. The buildings of Mecca becoming high. 129. The last of this ummah cursing the first of it. 130. New means of transportation, cars, etc. 131. The appearance of the Mahdi.